must have heard about buttering people. Buttering people is not my topic, but today I will discuss over butter with you because recently my company has started churning butter from fresh cream. Making butter at home is one of the best options you can always avail. But the problem is, how many of you know how to make butter? I'll let you know how to make butter at home. We'll do it at the end of this video. Right now I want to tell you some facts about the butter. Butter, what is butter? It's the milk fats which are present in the milk. So liquid minus the solids is butter. We have to separate the whey or the buttermilk from the solids, and those solids, those are highly nutritious, full of probiotics, and one of the best diet for humans. We all love fresh butter on our breads with a cup of coffee or tea. It contains 66% of saturated fatty acids and around 26% of monosaturated acids. These acids are the combination of various different acids, including CLA, the conjugated linoleic acid, which is a resistance to cancer. So it's a very healthy diet, but remember, excess of everything is bad. Butter is white to yellow solid emulsion of fat globules, which is made by the churning of cream, the fresh cream. The pure butter is very different from the market stuff, which is available into the markets, into those beautiful packs, because all those butters, they contain vegetable fats. Two values of butter has to be kept in notice. Number one, it should have 16% of moisture level, and number two, the SNF should be maximum 2%. It should not exceed 2%. What is SNF? SNF is solid non-fat. When butter is churned, the solid fats are separated from the buttermilk. The other solid, which can be lactose, which can be minerals, which can be some other stuff, it is left into that buttermilk. You see, when we make butter, we have to wash it, we have to clean it to get rid of all the whey and the solid particles other than the fat. How to make butter at home? Have you ever tried that? If you haven't, you should do that, because it's going to be a wonderful experience to have a wonderful diet made by yourself at home, and nothing can compare with the products you make at home yourself. If you are lucky enough to find some cream into the market, it will make your job easier. It's very easy. You take that cream at room temperature, put it into your blender, start spinning it. Keep adding some ice cubes to keep it at lower temperatures, and keep spinning unless the solids and the whey, they get separated. How about if you don't find cream into the market, can you still make butter at home from milk? Yes. If you have access to raw milk, take that raw milk into a jar, leave some space on the top, and start shaking it vigorously. Just shake the bottle, keep shaking it. It's the test of your muscles. How long you can do that? It should be vigorously, A time will come when you will see that the solids are getting separated. You will find those small particles moving into the jar, and you will realize that something is getting separated from the milk. Don't give up over there, because it's test of your muscles. Keep shaking it vigorously unless the whole yellow particles get separated from that white stuff, which is buttermilk. The buttermilk is for your confectionery needs, and the butter is for your table and for your